Facebook, along with other Meta platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp, is currently experiencing a widespread outage, affecting users globally. As of now, there is no official word from Meta regarding the cause of the issue or the estimated time for restoration. Here's what we know so far. Outage reports: over 200,000 users have reported issues on platforms like Down Detector, indicating a widespread problem. Affected services: Facebook, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Threads, and WhatsApp are all experiencing disruptions. Symptoms: users are encountering issues like login errors, inability to refresh feeds, and problems sending or receiving messages. Cause and timeline: no official information is available from Meta about the cause of the outage or when it will be resolved. You can stay updated on this situation by checking Down Detector or social media reports using the hashtag #FacebookDown.